the notes for the Beetlejuice theme song intro. I'll play it through 1 time fast, and then I'll kind of play through it a little bit slow so you can figure it out and learn how to play it on piano. 1, 2, ready, go. So what we're going to do is we're going to just look at the set of notes over there, and we're just going to, each set of 2, we're going to play with just left hand. So what I mean by that is you're going to play A, C 3 times. You're going to go A, C twice, 3 times. And after you do that 3 times, you're going to play a B and an E. Okay, so give that a try. Ready, and go. A, C, 3rd time. Now B, E. Good. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to play the set of 2, but whenever you see a set of 2, you're going to find the A's. You're going to go A, C, C. So now you do that 3 times. Give it a try. Ready, and go. A, C, C, A, C, C, 3rd time. And after you do it 3 times, you're going to go B's and then E's. So let's try that. Ready, and go. A, C, 2nd time. 3rd time. B, E. Good. Okay, look at line number 3. It's going to go A, C, E flat, C. So let's give that a try. A, C, E flat, C. Once you got that, we're going to go A, F sharp, A. A, F sharp, A. Okay, that's it. So try that. We're going to go A, C, E flat, C. Ready, and go. A, C, E flat, C. Now A, F sharp, A. A, F sharp, A. Then C, B, E. C, B, E, which is like we just played. Look at line number 2. It's exactly like line number 2. Okay, so practice those 3 lines for a minute, and after you've got that, then you're going to do it like we did before, left, right, left, right. So we're gonna do it slowly. Put your hand, find your A's. Ready, and go. A, C, C, E flat, C. Good, let's try that line again. Ready, and go. A, C, C, E flat, C. Good. Now A, F sharp, A. Ready, and go. A, F sharp, A, C, B, E. Good. So if you memorize the patterns, or which is over there, memorize the patterns over there. And once you memorize the patterns in little chunks, it'll help you memorize it. Because if you say, I'm going to memorize that whole thing, memorize all those letters. And if I say recite all those letters, it's going to be like really hard. But if you memorize little chunks, like you can remember A, F sharp, A, right? That's easy. A, F sharp, A, piece of cake. So memorize the left hand by itself and then try the whole thing. We're going to go through the whole thing slowly right now. So starting at the beginning, A, C, the 3 A, C's, okay? We're going to go through the whole thing. I'm not going to stop. So you should have practiced by now. Here we go. 1, 2, slow, go. A, C, last time. A, C, B, E. Good. A, C, E flat, C, A, F sharp, A, C, B, E. Sorry, I screamed at you the whole time. Let's play it one more time without me screaming at you. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so here we go. Last time with the silent Ruby, because I'm too loud and annoying. Here we go. Ready, and go. Awesome job. Comment down below if you'd like to hear another song.